Okay, with an Arizona ash and this small of a tree protection zone, this is really kind of a suggestion to heavy equipment operators to try not to back into it. This is not protective fencing. This is hey, there's a tree here. The Arizona ash, I guess a good question is why bother, but a place like this needs trees. But I would factor into my plan the removal and replacement of these trees within 10 years of completion of construction. A longer term plan that's well thought out, these trees probably shouldn't be part of that. A hackberry. This tree, this site, again, needs all the hackberries, or all the trees it can have. So a hackberry ain't much, but let's exercise a little common sense here. Why am I putting up this lousy fence on a tree that's arguably structurally compromised? I like hackberries sometimes. So let's make a protective fence an actual protective fence. This fence here, if it had been stuck with the design, the fence could have come all the way out to here and all the way to there and then tied in here and then come out to here and then all the way to here. But see, here's what's not on the plans. The plans show the curb. I'm speaking in general terms here. The plans show the curb, and this is the distance from the tree. You know, we're 6 feet from the tree. But in actuality, the contractor comes out about 2 feet to put in the forms he needs to pour the concrete for the curb. So the severance occurs here, not here. I see this quite often. Again, we put up our construction fence, but not until after the area was scraped up and a big pile placed right there. So there's caterpillar track marks all the way up against this tree. This protective fence is an afterthought. And if you're gonna fool anybody, put up some mulch and cover your tracks, for crying out loud. You can hide a lot with mulch. Guess what else you can do with mulch? You can protect tree root zones with mulch too. Feel free to leave your comments. It's like a Sephora of Finis, Eve's necklace. Could be a secundiflora, but I think it's an Eve's necklace. A rare treat. This thing's probably being properly preserved. I mean, I doubt if its root zone is established beyond this thing. This is an actual root protection zone. Root collar's buried, but this little guy may emerge from this project little the worse for wear. Yonder crepe myrtle is almost guaranteed to emerge virtually unscathed. Some nice trees, but they need TLC in a bad way. Comments?